So not only do we have an Ethereum ETF coming sooner rather than later, although the S1 filings have been pushed down the road a little bit, we also have a potential huge boost for Ethereum coming with a particular upgrade. In this video, I wanted to share with you guys what this could do. Take a look at the overall market. It should be a huge week for crypto as we kick off the new month. We've entered into July, and historically, Bitcoin has been green during this month throughout its history, which means Ethereum is usually green as well because Bitcoin and Ethereum basically move neck and neck. Recently now, Ethereum has started to outperform Bitcoin, which has really excited a lot of people that we may be getting closer to really seeing altcoin season come to fruition with Ethereum ETF swirling, Solana ETF, and that news coming out last week. A lot of people excited about the altcoin market right now. And all while this is happening, we've seen sectors like AI and RWA really have a big boost since October of last year, along with meme coins, which really started with Pepe back in April of 2023. We've really seen a meme coin bull run take form for the last year plus, which is kind of crazy. Now, Ethereum is a big part of this, obviously, because it is the largest altcoin out there. And so many of the great meme coins are built on top of Ethereum, right? Like we know how big ETH is in this whole grand scheme of things. Well, the Ethereum network is set to get a major boost with the SSF roadmap. This is coming directly from Vitalik Buterin. And I wanted to highlight some of the things that are really crucial about this upgrade and this boost coupled with the Ethereum ETF. Now, Ethereum name service is pumping like crazy. We'll talk about why this is a little bit and if this has anything to do with it. We've been talking about ENS as a great trading option out there in crypto for a while. I traded this thing like crazy back in 2021. Right now, it's the top gainer, basically ranked number 70, up 40% in the last 7 days. Anything tied to Ethereum right now looking really, really strong. You could see Mog Coin has entered the top 100 as a meme coin as well. There's Phantom in there. And then Brett, obviously on base, has been crushing it. It is tied to Ethereum. Same thing with Chainlink, finally moving a little bit as well. But you can see here that I think things are just beginning, right? Because the Fear and Greed Index is still ranked at 49, as you can see on the far right there. We're still not reaching the masses just yet, right? And I think that tells us that we're still super, super early. So if you want to get in early and set your positions and get in and get out at the best times, XT Algo will help you do that. That's my trading indicator, guys. This will allow you to know when the best times are to get in and out of the market, whether you're short-term trading or looking for those long-term entry points. You could set your own customized alerts. My tool that I had built by the best of the best will help you. It's a great tool to have in your toolbox this bull run before things really kick off. We have a 21% discount code right now in the description. And by the way, it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you could basically try this for free for 30 days. Instead of $47 a month, it's $37, a little over $1 a day, guys. One successful trade, this thing can pay for itself month over month. The yearly package is around $400. Literally one trade can pay for the entire yearly package, and it works straight up, okay? And again, 30-day money-back guarantee, full refund if you're not completely satisfied. Links down below in the description if you want to check that out. Now, we come back over to Ethereum Network getting this major boost, right? On Sunday, June 30th, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin published a blog post to close out the month explaining the road ahead for Ethereum. And everybody's talking about Ethereum ETFs, right? However, this is something different. They may have to part ways with the epoch and slot mechanism for its existing roll-up centric roadmap. Buterin proposes a new SSF mechanism to improve transaction time latencies of the order of hundreds of milliseconds. Now, this could be huge for the Ethereum network because one of the reasons why people have elected to go on other chains in some instances are these fast transaction times and cost, right? Now, Ethereum has been actively working on reducing the gas fees. There's been a ton of things done that have actually started to work, right? Now, moving away from this current system would be big in a lot of other ways, considering the current Ethereum gas per consensus mechanism takes 12 minutes of finality time, making it pretty slow. Now, this SSF proposal would simplify this by finalizing each block before the next is created. So single slot finality. The Ethereum gas per consensus, again, has this system already in place, but this news from Buterin proposes a single slot finality mechanism similar to Tendermint consensus, wherein block N is finalized even before the creation of block N plus one. So there are some challenges with this, but overall this could be a benefit. And here's a little tweet here. Ethereum is thriving as an ecosystem right now with L2 activity hitting fresh all-time highs each day, and the L1 roadmap being executed on with laser precision. Meanwhile, crypto Twitter is acting like Ethereum is failing and in dire need of emergency intervention. In reality here, L2s are booming on Ethereum like Base, right? We've seen Blast launch, and I think that's going to have some nice legs overall into the future. And then we have Arbitrum and Optimism as well that have burst on the scene to really compete with Polygon. So the Ethereum developers are still figuring out the ideal solution in order to improve finality speed. And Buterin basically saying this says, hey, things are only going to be getting better from here. Not only do we have Ethereum ETFs, faster, we want to have faster finality time along with those reduced gas fees that have been actively being worked on for a while. So there's a lot happening on Ethereum right now. And I think we get kind of lost in the shuffle sometimes when there's a lot going on. And I just wanted to highlight just how big Ethereum is, right? It's not to say Solana can't compete or can't do well. It will. I mean, there's going to be other layer ones that do well for sure, but none bigger than Ethereum right now. They are still actively working on making this a full-on better system. They are going to be the leader in terms of the blockchain that is basically working on RWA assets, especially with BlackRock. There's a lot to love about what Ethereum has going for it right now. And that's the reason why it's been outpacing Bitcoin for weeks now. You could see here just in the last 7 days, Ethereum's up, 4.8% to Bitcoin's 2.7%. And this has been a narrative that has, again, gone on for 2+ weeks. Like, this is week 3. We'll see if this continues to play out as Ethereum ETFs kind of linger right now. But overall, Ethereum has a lot happening. Bitcoin miners are starting to take their profits a little bit. Now, we did get a boost in Bitcoin, which is good for the overall market. We got a nice little pop up here all the way up to 63,700, almost getting to 64K, which is a big, big deal. Last 7 days, though, Bitcoin has been pretty flat, right? Which is solid considering we've held the 200-day moving average, which is really, really crucial. But the same thing could be said for ETH. And it just has more excitement around it right now with Ethereum ETF still looming. And I think we're going to see billions of dollars come in, over the first few weeks and months with Ethereum ETF going live. So a lot happening in the Ethereum ecosystem. And this upgrade that was kind of floated out there by Vitalik just shows that we have even more to look forward to with Ethereum during this bull run. And I just can't wait until we see a $6,000-$7,000 ETH. Imagine where the likes of SHIB and Pepe and a lot of these Ethereum-based crypto projects will go. So appreciate you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts about all of this down below. How do you feel about Ethereum versus its competitors? Give me your thoughts. This has been another major crypto news update for you right here on the channel. Make sure you do subscribe so you don't miss out. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.